So let's talk about today, the big elephant in the room, property taxes in the state of Florida. So I wanted to cover this. I've done a few videos about it, but I wanted to cover it again to show you what you can expect, because I'm seeing all these crazy videos on YouTube about my property taxes doubled. So I want to show you what they're talking about. And hey, by the way, my name is John Bice. I'm with eXp Real Estate and also affiliated with the Florida for Boomers network here in the Manatee County, Sarasota County area. We market to baby boomers very, very heavily. So this is a home that we just closed on in Del Webb, Bayview, which is located in Parrish. So that home went under construction the beginning of this year, 2025. It just closed last month. So you can see where the property taxes are, because they are based on an empty lot. They don't do an assessment on the property until the home is completed. They have a CO. It's a completed home ready to sell. So before that, the property taxes were $1,297. So that was paid by the builder in 2024. You roll into 2025, it's been assessed again, but the property tax bill hasn't come out yet, but the home still wasn't complete in January of 2025. So that will be very close to the same amount. So in January of 2026, it now has a home that's completed sitting on the lot, and they'll get a new tax bill. We pay our taxes in arrears in Florida, which means we get a trim notice in what we call trim notice, October 1st of November. It tells us what our property taxes are, and then we pay our property taxes for that year. Okay, so they won't know what their property taxes are going to be until November of 2026. Now, they can go online and see, but they're not going to get a trim notice or a tax bill until that point. So I hope that clears that up for you. And so what will happen is, again, they'll have a home built on the lot. They'll be assessed, which we get assessed every January. And I pulled up another home, similar size, in the same community that just sold. It was built in 2021, and their property taxes are $5,291. So when you see these crazy dudes online going, my property taxes tripled. Well, yeah, from an empty lot with no home on it to a brand new home, yes, it's going to more than triple, but you can expect this to go from $1,297 up to $5,200. Homesteading, that's a whole nother video. But if you're going to be a resident here, you can homestead the property, and then your property taxes can't go up by more than 3% per year. That's a whole nother video to talk about things. You can't do it if you're a snowbird, so your property taxes can go up by 10% a year. But those are some things to clarify property taxes in our area. If you got any questions, give me a call, 941-962-7443. I would love to help you either purchase a home here, sell a home in the Manatee, Sarasota County area. You can reach me 7 days a week. Thanks so much. God bless.